the body, you need red material. Cut the material. Sew the material. The body with cotton wool. Cut a circle from a black material. Sew it on the front. Bend the material inside and sew. Take another piece of material and sew it. Cut the ears, cut the legs, glue the ears, the legs and the tail. I'm using a silicone glue. For the face, cut the material, glue the material, paint the eyes and the nose with acrylic paint. Let's make the mini tsum tsum. For the dress, glue around red material. Grace, hi. I came to ask you if you want to go with us at the sea this summer. Of course. I brought you a present. Thank you. Wow. Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Tsum tsum. It's wonderful. I'm glad that you like it. They are so cute.